Hi kids. Today the lesson we are going to do is on ERA, and I think some of you have the workbook and some of you don't, but it's okay for the children who have the workbook can do it, and the children who don't have can do it in their writing book. So I think this whole lesson, all the children, it's better if they can do it in their ERA writing book. You know what your ERA writing book? It's the big book, it's the botany book. On one side you get the ruled page, and on the other side you get the blank page. So we can write the note on the ruled page and draw the picture on the blank page. Okay, so this lesson, this book is a little bit different from the book we have, but it's the same. It's the same lesson. You can see it's about the sky. Now the sky, you know, is above the earth. No, it's above the earth. When you go outdoors and when you look up, you can see the sky. No, the sky during the day, it's blue. So let's see what the lesson says. The sky is blue. We know that. No, most of the time, if it's a sunny day, the sky is blue. You will see the sun during the day. Now this is a very important fact to remember, that we see the sun only during the day. I don't think any of us have seen the sun in the night. No, it's only during the day that we see the sun. The sun is big, hot and bright. We know that. No, the sun is big, even though we can't see the sun, we know it's big. It's hot. We feel the heat, no? Especially during these days, in the month of April in Sri Lanka, it's a very hot month. So we feel the heat, no, of the sun. Even here I am, close to my garden. You can see the light that I am getting. And it's quite hot. And it's bright, no? That is how we get the light. At night, when it's dark, when the sun rises, only we get the light to the earth. That is the time that this light falls on the earth and we have light. So we call that the day. No? So during the day, we have the sun that comes out. It gives us light. It gives us warmth, and that is the day. So we will see now. Sometimes when we look up to the sky, we see that there are clouds. There are sometimes passing clouds. Sometimes it is only the blue sky that we can see. But on and off there are a few clouds that pass by. They just float in the sky. You can see it is like cotton. It's white. Sometimes if it's going to rain, it will be a little bit gray. So that we know that it's going to rain. But usually during the day the sky is blue and the sun is out. Okay. So this is the lesson for today. Now if you see in this page, there is a picture that we are supposed to color. Okay. So now this picture, you can see the background here has to be blue color, because this is the sky. This is the sky. And you can see there are 3 clouds here. There are 3 clouds. So the clouds you can color in white, or you can color it in a bright blue, and the sun you can color in yellow. The sun you can color in yellow. Okay. So one very important thing, children, is when you are coloring, please fill in all the white gaps, because I have seen that some children, they only want to very quickly color the picture and finish it. They don't take time with the picture. I have explained this to you many times, that when you're coloring, you have to fill in all the gaps and you have to go in one direction. No, you have to, if you're coloring this way, you have to color it only in that direction. So you cannot color it horizontally and then again vertically, so that you will see that when you color, you can see the pencil strokes. Now see this picture. Can you see this child? She has not taken a lot of care in coloring. So I ask you, now that you have time at home, take your time. Don't just try to finish the whole the whole picture quickly. Take your time and color it. So but these colors are very important. So the background has to be blue and the sun has to be yellow. So I will put down the note also after this video, so that you children, all of you, have to write down this note in your ERA workbook. I will see you soon with another video. Bye.